Unlinking a bank account on Current is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully remove your bank account from your Current app. Step 1. Open the Current app. Launch the Current app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Navigate to Settings. Once you are in the app, locate the Settings icon, usually found in the top corner of the screen. Tap on it to enter the Settings menu. Step 3. Select Bank Accounts. In the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Bank Accounts or Linked Accounts. Tap on this option to view the accounts currently linked to your current account. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Find the bank account you wish to unlink from the list of linked accounts. Tap on it to open the account details. Step 5. Unlink the accounts. Within the account details, look for an option that says Unlink or Remove Account. Confirm your choice when prompted, and the bank account will be successfully unlinked from your current account. By following these steps, you can easily unlink a bank account from your current app. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Current's customer support for assistance.